So did you know that with the recent update, you can now watch YouTube live streams with Rave app? So if you just tap plus, there is a new tab which is called live. And if you just go here, you will just be redirected to YouTube live streams tab, which is specifically, just YouTube's tab for the live streams. Then if you just tap on it, you can be redirected to YouTube. But yeah, it's just a bit harder to navigate from here to the live. Here you just have specifically just the live tab, and then you can just search all the live streams. And there are more and more fun live streams on YouTube these days, and it's just can be fun to watch with friends. You can of course just watch regular videos, but also if you want to watch YouTube live streams with friends, you can just tap live here in the Rave app. So yeah, that's what it is.